black pepper glazed chicken and egg breakfast. This is ultimate classic and full of high protein breakfast which we can make in 15 minutes of our time.
Born hungry is delicious.
Good morning, my name is Mair. You're watching Mair Born Hungry YouTube channel. Let's make delicious black pepper glazed chicken and egg breakfast. We have just 15 minutes. Let's get into it. I have a 1 chicken breast, 1 piece, some peppers, some onion, sourdough bread, cage-free eggs. First thing first, we will marinate our chicken. We will give a black pepper glaze on it. Half tablespoon of the olive oil each side. This is the first thing we are doing. Nothing else, just the black pepper powder. Quarter tablespoon this side. Quarter tablespoon on this side. Quarter tablespoon of garlic powder just to give it a kick, and quarter on this side. Pat it from the top so the seasoning sticks. Look at the glaze of black pepper on it. For this recipe you can use stainless steel pan, cast iron pan. I'm using non-stick pan. Face down, we will put it on right here. Let's take a pepper and slice it. Make thin slices out of it. Pepper is ready. Let's grab white onion, just half of it, and again thin slices of it. Half tablespoon of the garlic powder on top. Quarter tablespoon of the black pepper. 1 tablespoon of the olive oil. If you are into spices, this is optional. Add jalapeno in there as well. Now just mix everything up. Once you mix it, my friend, easy thing to do. Pan is on the high flame. Here you go. The veggies. Chicken breast is 6 to 8 minutes on the high flame. High flame means at least 400 to 500 temperature. Or you can just eyeball it, old school way. Let's flip it. Look at this glaze. It's not done yet. We are cooking it. Give it another at least maybe 4 more minutes on the high flame. Squeeze half of the lemon on the veggies, fresh juice, and on the breast as well. This will make the citrusy flavor in there. So it's been 6 minutes already. Let it cook. Let's add a tablespoon of oil here and grab eggs. At this point, put your stove onto low flame. I like sunny side eggs, so I like to put some salt on the yolk while they are cooking in the process. 3 more minutes and then we will have delicious high protein breakfast. Okay, so eggs are ready, peppers are ready, breast is looking ready. We will do a temperature check for it. So let's toast 2 of the slices of sourdough bread. It's been 10 minutes since we added the breast, the peppers and eggs. Let's check the temperature of the chicken in here. Okay, here you go, deep into the breast. If it reaches above 165, we are good to go. It's looking good. You have to check the thick part as well. And look at this. It says, oh yeah, 183. We are good, my friend. Let's put it on the side. Turn off the stove. Let's grab our toast and put some butter on it. Pinch of black pepper on the egg. Oh, the breads are toasted. And here goes the butter. This is the ultimate high protein, healthy breakfast. Look at the thickness of the butter. How much we love butter. This is all completely done. Under 15 minutes we made the whole breakfast. Black pepper glazed chicken and egg breakfast. We all can make coffee, right? I like dark coffee in the morning usually. So this is the coffee. Anyone can make it, right? Let's do a taste test. high protein breakfast. Let's all the way cooked. Wow. So here you go. Add some pepper. Wow, so fragrant, steaming hot. First bite. Ultimate high protein. Peppers will make the whole dish fragrant. Oh my god, my butter was so thick, it's still melting. Here goes the egg yolk. Ooh, look at this. Premium bite. Butter, chicken, and the peppers. Wow, they are hot. This is the hungry bite. 15 minutes will give you the high protein, good quality breakfast. No. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I will see you on the next. This is very delicious recipe. Black pepper breast.